Welcome to GVR Coaching Center. So last class we are discussing the limits shortcuts. Now we discuss the circles shortcuts. So first of all, what is the circle? The collection of all points. From fixed point to fixed straight line. So the fixed straight line of the length smaller, the fixed point C of h comma k, and this is the point P of x comma y. Then the circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Note that, students, very important. In the question, if the center C is equal to h comma k and the radius smaller is given, then the circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. For example, C is equal to 2 comma minus 3, R is equal to 5. Then find the circle equation. So substituting simply. So x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. So simplify. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y equal to 25. So final answer, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 25 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the circle equation. The very important, in the problem given the center and the radius, find the circle equation. So substituting in this formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. For example, center 0 comma 0 and radius smaller, then the circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square is called standard form of the circle. Very important. So this circle is called the general form of the circle and this is called the standard form of the circle. So many problems we can use this standard form of the circle. So now we are discussing the another concept, another circle. If a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 are endpoints of circle, endpoints of diameter of the circle, find the equation like this asking. So the circle x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this is the circle. These two are the endpoints. This is the capital A, this is the capital B, and this is the center. If the asking the center, C is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. And they are asking the radius r is equal to So distance between the CB or CA, anyone we can find that, then we can get the radius. For example, so A of 2 comma 3, so B of minus 4 comma 3. So find the circle. So substituting in this formula, x minus 2 into x plus 4 plus y minus 3 into y minus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus 4x minus 2x plus 2x minus 8 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So this implies x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y minus 9 plus 1. So plus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the circle equation. Suppose find the center. So then immediately these 2 points are the center, midpoint. So 2 minus 4 by 2 comma 3 plus 3 by 2. So the answer is 2 minus 4 and a minus 2 by 2. 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. So answer minus 1 comma 3. So I am writing above. So minus 1 comma 3 is the answer. So this is the another concept, another question. So find the circle equation endpoints of the diameter. So now I am discussing the 3 point. The first one is center C is equal to h comma k and the radius r is equal to 0. Center C is equal to 0 comma 0 and radius r. Third point, endpoints of A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, the circle equation. Now we are discussing another circle, that is the general form of the circle or second degree circle equation. The second degree equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the second degree equation. It is the circle. First point A equal to B. The second point h is equal to 0. Third point g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Very important for the examination point. Given the second degree equation, if it is the circle, what are the conditions? First condition is A is equal to B. Second condition is h is equal to 0. Third condition is g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Again we can discuss the conic section in the same second degree equation. Once again I am repeating the later. So don't forget this formula. For example, in examination asked like that. So 2x square plus xy plus bxy plus ay square plus 2zx 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. So find A comma B. So this is the second degree circle equation. Represents. The second degree circle equation represent means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It is the represent the circle. So what are the condition? A is equal to b. A is equal to b means the coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. The coefficient of x square is equal to the coefficient of y square. So clearly A is equal to 2 and h is equal to 0. See the second h is equal to 0. Here xy quotient. Xy quotient is 2h. So h is equal to 0 means here b is equal to 0. Clear that? So very important. It is represent the circle. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 0. Like that asking. For example, in another model or another type of example, for example, 2x square plus by square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Represent the circle. Find the radius. So clearly b is equal to 2. So here writing the b. So 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. So here only have to quotient of x square, quotient of y square. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the circle. Then the radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So this implies square root of, clearly observe that the x coefficient is 2, the half of the x coefficient is 1 square, that is the g, minus the coefficient of y is the 2f, half of the quotient of y, that is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole square. Here c is the 6. So formula minus c, that is equal to minus 6. Then we can simplify this one. Square root of 1 square means 1. 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4. So 4 minus 9 minus 6. So answer plus here. Divided by 4. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 means 7. So the answer is root 7 by 2. So what is the radius? Root 7 by 2. The final answer root 7 by 2. So like that sometimes asking the question 2x square plus by square plus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0, representing the circle. Find the A and radius. So find the A means it is the represent the circle means. So clearly, so B is equal to, here B. So B is equal to 2 and substituting the B value and dividing the 2 on both sides. Then radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So simplifying that we can get root 7 by 2. So clearly, so the second degree circle equation, very important, and the second degree circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the center c is equal to minus z comma minus f and radius small r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So this is the fourth one circle equation. So laterly we are discussing the three circle equation. First one, general form of the circle equation, standard form of the circle equation, and end points of the diameter, end points endpoints of a diameter, and the second degree circle equation, So these are the 5 very important.